Everyone, here we go. So, today, I just want to talk a little bit about my Uncle Aina. To us, that was our uncle. And the biggest thing I took away from what everyone was saying and stuff that I knew about him is that he was a very humble man. He was, now that I'm learning more about him, his titles were very high up there, but to us, he was our uncle. He was my mom's brother. So today we have my cousins. All of us are children of his brothers and sisters, and we even have some children of our own that are dancing with us today. One thing that he did like to show off was our performances, whether it be in sports or dancing. He loved it. He loved to show the world us. So today we got something special for you. Take it away, kids.
Faamaini.